Hello students, today let us learn about the basic English grammar, about parts of speech. In English, how many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. Which are those? Verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction and preposition. You can see there totally there are 8 parts of speech. Let us see one by one. What is a verb? What does verb denotes? Verb means it shows action. It describes an action or experience. Suppose you are running, walking. These are all, they show action. So these are the examples of verb: run, walk, writing. One example sentence is Sophie ran to school because she was late. Ran is the verb because it shows action. Next one is John loves to bake cookies. Bake is the verb here. So verb denotes action, what we do. That is verb. Next one is noun. Simple it is. It is the name of a person, place, animal, things, country. All these are nouns. Example: house, teacher, cup, shop. All these are nouns. One example sentence: my teacher is a very nice person. Teacher is a verb because it shows the person. That is why it is a noun. Second example: Amy is going to go on holiday to China. There are two nouns here. One is Amy and another one is China. Amy is the name of a person. China is the name of the country or place. So this is about noun. These are the basic things that you should know. Next one is adjective. It describes the noun or a pronoun. One example is beautiful, ugly, short, red, old. All these are examples of adjectives. Sentence: you see Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. Huge is the adjective here because it shows how the house is. It is big, huge. It describes the noun. Next one is adverb. What is adverb? Describes the verb, an adjective or an adverb. The adverb tells us how often, how, where or when. How, where or when. This is the adverb. Example: slowly, yesterday, always. Sophie is always late for school. Always is the adverb here. How, when and where. These are adverbs. Always. Late is also an adverb. These are the examples of adverb. Last night I slept really well. Last night is the adverb. Last night shows what? When. So when means last night. That is the adverb. Next is pronoun. We use pronoun instead of a noun. It replaces the name of a person, place, thing or idea in a sentence. Example: I, he, she, it, they, our, your. All these are pronouns. One example sentence is Becky is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. She is the pronoun here. We are using, instead of Becky, once again we use she. You can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. You is the pronoun. We are, instead of naming the person, we use pronoun you. Next is interjection. It expresses strong emotion. Ah, habba, whoa, ho, ha, hey. All these are examples of interjection. One example sentence is whoa, the view is amazing. It shows surprise, emotion. Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. Hey is the interjection. Next is conjunction. It connects words, phrases or clauses in a sentence. It connects the phrases or words. Example: and, but, although, on. These words are conjunction. One example sentence is I like to watch the television and eat popcorn. See, they are with the help of and, it is combined two words, two clauses. Second one is my friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. Whereas is the conjunction here. Next is preposition. Describes the place, time or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. Over, under, all these are examples of preposition. See there, example under, above, in, into, during, all these are prepositions. We use these words in sentences. Example is the cat jumped over the box. See, over is the preposition. Get into the car quickly before we are late for school. Into is the preposition. It shows direction. Go inside the car. Into is the preposition here. This is all about parts of speech, today's class. Next class will continue another topic. Till then you have to revise these. Thank you.